In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF by email from Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure your file goes out the way you expect. Start by opening the PDF you want to share in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If Acrobat is already open, you can drag the file into the window or use File, then Open to browse to it. Give the document a quick look to confirm it's the correct version and that any last-minute edits or annotations are done before you send it. Next, use Acrobat's built-in email command. Look along the toolbar for Share, then choose Send by Email. If you don't see it, open the File menu, go to Share, and select Send by Email there. This is the shortcut that prepares your PDF for sending without you needing to manually attach it inside your Mail app. When you click it, Acrobat will open a dialog that guides you through how you want to send the file. In that dialog, choose to send with your default email client. This means Acrobat will hand off the message to the Mail app your computer uses by default, such as Outlook on Windows or Mail on Mac OS. Select that option and click Next. Acrobat will launch your email application and create a new draft message for you automatically, saving a few steps and reducing the chance of forgetting the attachment. At this point, Acrobat decides whether to attach the file itself or include a view-only link, depending on the Attach a Link setting. If the Attach a Link switch is on, your email draft will contain a secure link to the PDF instead of the file. This is helpful for large documents and keeps inbox sizes manageable. If you prefer to send the actual PDF as an attachment, turn off the Attach a Link toggle before proceeding, and your draft will include the file directly. Now finalize the email in your Mail app. Enter your recipient or recipients, add a clear subject and a short message so they know what the PDF is about, and review that the attachment or link appears as you intended. If you chose a link, remember that your recipients will open the PDF in a browser. If you know they need an offline copy, send it as an attachment instead. When everything looks good, send the email as you normally would. That's it. You've opened your PDF, used Acrobat's Send by Email command, chosen your default Mail app, decided between a link or an attachment, and sent it off quickly and confidently.